Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here to show you this very individually designed property with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, around 3,000 square metres of land, 2 garages and a large storeroom at the front of the house. We're in Fuente Camacho, which is in the province of Granada, but only 45 minutes to the airport of Malaga. There's no swimming pool here, but it would be possible to put in a swimming pool. There's plenty of room to have your own veggie patch, outdoor dining. There's lots of land. It goes up into a kind of point at the top there. We have a double garage here, and then on the outside there's another large garage. So let's go up into the house. So there's lots of terraces here. This is the first one that's outside the front door. Fuente Camacho is a small village, it's very quiet. As you can see, there's really lovely countryside here. We'll go in first and then I'll show you around outside. So straight into a large sitting room that has a sunken room just to the right of the front door. Hallway goes to the bedrooms, but we're going to look at the kitchen and pantry first. So from the kitchen you go through again, there's like a laundry room and then a pantry and another kitchen. You can go through that door to get out to the corridor, but obviously from here we can't quite do that at the moment. As you can see, the decoration is quite interesting. And we go through. This door in front of us is the door to the kitchen we've just seen. Here's the family bathroom, fully tiled, large corner bath. And then the first of the bedrooms is just next to the bathroom. I think this actually would make a good office, possibly the next room as well. Could be a good office, but it's a decent sized double. This one I think would probably be the better office because it's the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. And then we go through to the master bedroom, which is an ensuite room. Got nice views over the terrace and the village. And then we have a bathroom with bath. We're back outside and I'll show you some more of the terracing that runs around this part of the house. Under here is the large storeroom. So you can see you've got nice views and you can chase the sun or the shade, and then we'll go up to the very top floor. There's pre-installation for central heating, but the house will be sold with the central heating fully installed, and also this part of the house which needs some work, that will be done. So we have this very original design roof stupa to this section. We can't go in, unfortunately. It's just one large room, and the hot water here is solar, but everything is mains water, mains electricity. Just walking around this room that's on the top floor. And the owner intends to repair all of these edges as well. put up some bars to make it safer. But it's a nice sunny spot, and you could make something interesting up here, I think. It make maybe a nice yoga room or party room, possibly even an office, because you've got such great views. And then over in the garden, the first constructed part is like just a summer room. There are sides that go on to that, and then just beyond that is a mini allotment, and the plot does go just beyond the gates up to where you can see a water tank. So it's a very, very interesting property. As I say, it's in the quiet village of Fuente Camacho with excellent access to the motorway. We would like you to share and comment on this video. Please like, please follow us on our YouTube channel. We look forward to welcoming you to visit our properties in Fuente Camacho. We hope you've enjoyed this video. And I'm going to leave you with a view of the fountain. Thank you for watching.